Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Vivi Mode. This is Vivek Moda speaking. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of my new OnePlus Z2 ANC neckband. So let's open it. I always wanted to buy a good quality of ANC neckband. Okay, because the other Bluetooth device that I have, they do not have ANC. So basically ANC means active noise cancellation. So the quality of calling and the voice is really good. So here it is. Price was 1799, but due to Amazon Prime Day sale I got it for 1599. There was 200 rupees discount for it. This is OnePlus Bullets wireless set to ANC. So this is the packing of it. So this is the product. The packing is really good. We have configuration here, MRP, and what all is available inside. Imported duty. This is black color. So let us quickly open it. OnePlus always has this white and red theme across all its device, whether you buy a phone or you buy a headphone. So that is there. This comes with a 6 months warranty. Okay, and let's hope that how this product is. My father uses Z2 OnePlus Bullet wireless headphones, and that is without ANC. I bought it for around 1200 rupees from Flipkart. So this is the upgraded version of it. That is Z2 ANC. That is active noise cancellation. So I have to take calls in office and for my personal calls and while I'm working. So I wanted a neckband. Okay, so with very good noise cancellation. Okay, so let us just quickly open it. Packaging and everything is good. So here it is. Fine, just simple packing and all the basic details. So they have some given some tip here. So for a better battery life experience, the earphone will enter sleep mode after 4 hours without business use. So that is good thing. Fine. So this is just an unboxing video. I will try to use this product and make a complete review video of how the product is. Okay, I have OnePlus 11, so I wanted to buy a OnePlus neckband. Okay, so it's very easily compatible with it. So here it is. We have OnePlus badging here. Okay, then we have two buttons here. Fine. Currently sale is going on, okay, in Amazon and Flipkart. So if anyone wants to buy this product, they can go and buy it. Okay, usually this is charged around 2200 rupees. Okay, but as due to sale it is available at a discount rate. Okay, we also have a type C charging. So okay, I think this will be mic. Okay, and this is how the product looks. The finish and the fitting and the finish is really good. Okay, OnePlus makes good devices. Let us check what else is available in the box. Let us just try to open this one. Okay, this is just for keeping the headphones. And then we have some things here. Okay, let us just try to take those things out. Okay, what all is available. Fine. So nothing else is there here. Okay, we have a user manual. Okay, never settle and what all features that is available there. Okay, let's keep it aside. Okay, we have extra pair of cushions. Okay, so it's I think two pairs are given. Okay, let us keep it aside. And we have this cable. Okay, this is also red and white theme. This OnePlus cables are really good quality. So when I was just showing you this headphone, I was getting notification from OnePlus that Z2 ANC is ready to connect. It will be linked to your email ID. So, and we have magnets here. so easily gets attached to it. Okay, I have used last I had bought neckband. Okay, and I have currently bought AirPods. Then I have JBL AirPods. Then I have UNI single earpiece device. I have Techno single earpiece device, but none of them has what you called ANC, that's noise cancellation. So this is my first uh, neckband earphone with active noise cancellation. If you're planning to buy a neckband or a Bluetooth device or AirPods, try to buy a good quality one. Try to spend 500 to 600 rupees more and try to go for a noise cancellation one. Noise cancellations are really good, and it is need of the hour, where there's lots of noise pollution and we need to take important calls and we need to take calls while working. So if you are planning to buy a good earband or neckband or any Bluetooth device, go for active noise cancellation. So after some time, we'll make a proper video of this one. What is the quality of it and how it is. And the OnePlus pairing with this phones are really good. So that is a added advantage. Okay. So there is nothing else with the box. Okay. Fine. So fine, so that's it. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe it. If you really like this video, do share it with your friends and family members, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The IDs are mentioned in the comment section. I'll share the link of this product in the description, and many colors are available for this one. You can just check it out from your end. Okay, and so that's it from my end. We'll meet on the next video. This is just a small channel and I have around 80 plus subscribers and 90 plus followers on Instagram. So we do not get any devices from manufacturer. We just need to purchase it from our end and make videos. So currently I'm just showing you the products that I'm able to purchase or which I really needed, and then in the future maybe I can get products from manufacturer and then make a video about it. I tried to connect with them, but currently there has been no response. Okay, so that's it from my end. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.